Hi there, my name is Simon, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can deposit fiat currency, so US dollars, euros, British pounds and so on, and also cryptocurrency into your Binance account. I'm going to show you everything on my computer so you can easily follow along with this video. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so the next step is to do the identity verification. Now, we need to do this step if you want to use fiat currency to buy any cryptocurrency. So if you want to fund our account with euros, British pounds, dollars, and so on, then we need to do the identity verification. If you already have cryptocurrency and you want to just transfer it over to Binance and start trading, you don't actually need to do the identity verification. You can just transfer over the amount to your cryptocurrency wallet and then you can start trading. But if you want to use fiat currency, then we have to do the identity verification, because when we go to bank deposit right here, then we can see that we can only deposit money when we have our identity set up, as you can see here. So we're going to head over to the top right here, hover over the account icon, and then we're going to click on identification right here. And that will take us to this page. Now, there's actually two layers of identification. The first one being the identity verification, where we just have to identify ourselves using an ID card. And then if you want to have even higher limits, like over $50,000 per day, then you can also do the advanced verification, where you have to verify your residential address by uploading some kind of utility bill. But with in this video, I'm just going to stick to the identity verification. I'm going to just walk you through that, because for most of you, the limits that you get here are going to be more than enough. So we're going to start by clicking on verify here on the right side. And then what you want to do is just go through each of the steps that you see here. So just confirm your country, then click on start here on the bottom. Then you want to type in all your personal information right here. And I've actually already done this, and I've taken some screenshots so I can show you each of the steps that you have to go through. So the first one, after you have to fill in your information, is to verify your identity using a ID card. So you can either use your passport, your ID card, or also a driver's license. I personally have used my ID card, so I have just chosen that and clicked on continue. And then you can either upload a photo of your ID card, or you can also take a photo using your webcam. So I have used my webcam, so I have just clicked on take photo. Then my browser wanted to know if it's okay to use my camera, so I clicked allow right here. Then the camera will open up and you can just hold your ID card in the camera like this. And then once everything is sharp and readable, you can click on submit. And then on the next step, again, you have to confirm everything. Then on this step, they want to know if you actually are the person on your ID card. So again, you're gonna have to open your camera and take a photo of yourself. So do that and then confirm everything here. Then on the next step, you have to do an advanced verification of yourself. So you can either do that with your phone using the Binance application. I've actually tried to use this, but it didn't work on my phone. So I have just simply used my webcam again on my computer. So I've just clicked on use PC to do verification, that you can see here in yellow. And then you're gonna see your camera open up, and they're just gonna tell you to like nod your head, open your mouth and something like that. I think they just want to see if you're actually a real person. So it takes like a couple of seconds, and then when everything is fine, you're gonna see this screen right here, where they're gonna tell you that it's gonna take about 2 hours until you're verified, or 2 hours until like or delays up to 3 days. For me, it only, like, I was verified pretty much immediately, like after a couple of seconds. So yeah, probably it's going to take not as long as they say here, but I don't know, maybe for you it's going to take a bit longer. So here you can click on close, and then we're going to move on. And then once your account is verified, you're going to see this little verified icon here on the right side of your identity verification window. So once you see that, then you're basically ready to fund your account with fiat currency and start buying some cryptocurrency. So again, we go to the top here where it says buy crypto, and now we're going to click on bank deposit, because the first thing we have to do is fund our account with fiat currency. So we're going to click here on bank deposit, and then the first thing you want to do here is decide on what kind of currency you want to actually transfer over to your Binance account. So I'm going to leave this at euros right here. And then you have different payment methods. So you could also just use your credit card to finance your account. But again, you're going to pay a 1.8% fee. So what I actually recommend is to simply use a bank transfer. So I'm going to choose bank transfer because that has 0 fees. And then once you have chosen your payment method here, you can type in the amount you want to send over to your Binance account here on the right side. So let's say I want to transfer over 1,000 euros. So I'm going to just type that in. And as you can see here, transaction fee is $0. So that's very cool with Binance. And they, in general, have a lot less fees than compared to other cryptocurrency exchanges. And then you have to confirm this here. So make sure you read everything and then click on continue right here. And then it's very important that the bank account that you actually send over your funds from has the same name on it than the name of your Binance account. Otherwise, they will not accept your funds. And then the second thing is that you have to actually type in Binance as the receiver on your bank transfer. So then here you can click on confirm. And then on the right side, you're going to see the information of the bank account that you have to wire that money to. And another very important thing here is that you actually put in this code that you see on your screen into the reference field of your bank transfer. Otherwise, they won't be able to know what that what account that transfer belongs to. So it's very important that you actually type in this code into the reference field so they know that the money that you're transferring over actually belongs to your Binance account. So you can just now log into your online banking system and transfer over the amount, and then you're gonna get an email when the funds are in your account, and then you're basically ready to start buying cryptocurrency with your account balance. Now, for me, this actually took only like a half an hour or a couple of minutes to send over the amounts, but I think it really depends on your bank account. So I personally am using Revolut, and they're actually pretty quick. So yeah, depending on your bank account, it might take 1 to 2 days until the funds are actually on your Binance account. But again, you're going to get an email once they're actually sitting in your wallet. So now let's look at how we can deposit some cryptocurrency into our Binance account. Maybe you already have some cryptocurrency on another exchange or some kind of wallet that you want to transfer over here to Binance to be able to trade with that cryptocurrency. So we can also do that by going to our wallet. So we are already on our wallet page right now. If you're not already here, you can just go to wallet and click on fiat and spot, and that will take you to this wallet right here. And then we click on deposit here on the top. And then we want to change from fiat currency here to cryptocurrency right here. So we click on cryptocurrency, and then you can see all the different cryptocurrencies that we can actually deposit here under coin. So you can just click on the drop-down menu and then decide on what kind of cryptocurrency you want to actually deposit into your Binance account. So I'm just going to deposit some Bitcoin here. So I'm going to choose Bitcoin. And here it's very important that you actually choose the right coin, because if you have selected Bitcoin here and then you're going to send Ethereum to this address, then you're going to lose your Ethereum. So it's very important that you focus here and then you actually choose the correct coin and send the correct coins to the correct addresses here. So I'm going to choose Bitcoin here, and then this address right here is the address that you want to send your Bitcoin to. So you can just click on copy address right here, copy it whatever you're sending from, and then confirm, and then the Bitcoin will get into your Binance account within mostly like 10 minutes or something, depending on how many transactions are going on at this moment. It might take a bit longer as well. Actually, here you can see the average arrival time currently is like 1 minute. So it's pretty quick actually. And also, if you have a wallet where you can just scan in a QR code, you can also just generate this QR code here. And then you can scan it, so you can just send it over without having to copy in this address. So this was actually a segment from my complete Binance tutorial that is also available here on YouTube. So if you want to learn more about Binance, I'll leave a link to that tutorial down below in the description. If you found this video helpful, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Also, if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.